Okay, now there's one more thing I want to do. I now want to animate this image. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over to Higsfield. Now you can use Higsfield 11 Labs as well. And all I did here was I uploaded the image and I generated a prompt in order to make the image move. To give you an example of what I typed in, I went over to ChatGPT, I gave them a screenshot of the actual landing page, and I said, I want you to give me a prompt to animate this image. I want the woman in the picture to look at me, then blink a few times and then look back. It generated this prompt, and I gave this prompt to Higsfield right here. And after that, it gave us this video. So you can see the woman opens up her eyes, and then, you know, she smiles, and then she looks back and blinks, right? Pretty cool. So I'll just go ahead now and download this video. And then going back to the website, I'll now take this video, I'll drag and drop it, and I'll just tell them to apply this to the home page. I want you to add this video as my new landing page background. So there's the black clouds. Oh, there it goes, there's the woman. And what's really cool is they actually know that not to put it in the center of the page. So what they do is they replace the actual image with the video to keep the position consistent, which is really cool. And you know, I want to get rid of these black clouds. You know, they're not working out for me now. So we got to get rid of them. And it's gone, just like South Park, and it's gone. So the clouds are gone. And overall, this is a really attractive looking landing page.